I'm here today with a try-on haul of a bunch of pregnancy, maternity clothes. And I'm super excited because, well, when I'm filming this intro, I'm 23 weeks. I think when I filmed the try-on haul, I was like 21 weeks. So my belly is still looking, let's see. It's still, might be a tad bit bigger. But I'm so excited to share those with you because I took a poll over on Instagram and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see a maternity haul. So I thought that this would be kind of fun. So if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And let's get into the try on haul. Before we start the try on haul, I wanted to talk about today's partnership with Dossier perfumes. I have mentioned them a few times in the past and I am still just absolutely loving their fragrances. If you are not familiar with Dossier, they are a fragrance company that has fragrances that are dupes for high-end perfumes. And so not only are they less expensive, but they also have better for you ingredients. So they don't have a lot of those harsh chemicals that traditional perfumes, especially high-end ones, tend to have. So I wanted to share with you two fragrances that I have for this month. If you want to check out the other fragrances that I have talked about, I'll leave a little eye up in here. But I have been really loving these fragrances. One of them being one that's near and dear to my heart because it's what I wore on my wedding day. And that one is the Gourmand White Flowers. And this one is a dupe for the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb, which I wore on my wedding. It was one of the first perfumes that Ted bought me. And so it's just a really special perfume. It's also very expensive. And so this, because I have had the original high-end version, I can tell you it smells identical. It smells so good. And do you know what else I have loved about these Dossier perfumes that I've noticed as I've been wearing them over the last few months is they really stay. I have a problem with a lot of high-end perfumes. You spray it and then within an hour or two, you can't even smell it anymore. But these ones I find linger, they stay on your like clothes or in your hair, and the scent just really lasts way longer than any of my high-end ones tend to. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So Gourmand White Flowers. The notes for this one are bergamot, green tea, freesia, and berries. The middle notes are white flowers, orchid, and rose. And then the base notes are musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. I'm a sucker for caramel, vanilla, sandalwood, amber. What's another one? Orange blossom, I find, is another one that I really tend to gravitate towards. So this one is really nice. If you have been wanting to try the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb perfume, I would highly recommend checking out Dossier. It's way less expensive. I will have a coupon code for your first order. I will make sure to link it down below. But these tend to run around the $30 range, where a lot of those high-end perfumes for, you know, a 1.7 fluid ounce is going to cost you over $100. So this one is the first one, near and dear to my heart. The packaging is absolutely adorable too. I love how they all are in just like really minimalistic packaging. Is a newer one to me. I've actually never heard of the higher end brand. This one is, they chose to send to me like this fragrance. So I was kind of excited to try something that maybe I wouldn't have normally picked for myself. So this one is called Ambery Saffron, and it is inspired by the Maison Francis Kurkdjian. I've never heard of that brand. The Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Parfum. So this one has saffron, orange, and blossom as the top notes. The middle notes are jasmine, plum, and cedarwood. And the base notes are oak moss, firm balsam, and amber. So it's definitely more of like a warm woodsy scent. Let me spray a little bit. I really like it. This is a really nice fall scent. Yeah, it has, oh, it's really nice. It has like a tiny bit of a sweetness to it, but it's like warm and woodsy, but very much still smells really feminine. Really, really nice. It's light. It's slightly woodsy with a slight sweetness to it. I really, really love this smell. It's really great. So these are my two picks for right now. I think both of them work really nice in the fall, winter time. The Gourmand White Flowers and then the Ambery Saffron. So those are my two picks for the month. and I'm just loving the fragrances. I've been using the other ones that I've talked about multiple times. They're such beautiful scents. I love that they are less expensive. I love that they literally smell like the perfume that they're inspired by. And I also love that they have better for you ingredients in it. So there's no harsh chemicals that lingers on your skin and your clothes and your hair much longer than my higher end perfumes do. So thank you so much, Dossier, for partnering with me with this video. And now, without further ado, let's get into the pregnancy try on haul. Okay, don't mind the mess in the back. I have a bunch of returns, a bunch that I have to go over. I'm just wearing a sports bra from the gym, but I wanted to share some maternity jeans that I got. These ones are from Target. I got a size 0. I ordered a bunch of theirs in a size 2, and they were way too big. So this one has like the built-in panel here. They fit really good everywhere. It does have like kind of this benchy fabric. I'm assuming it's because my stomach, I mean, I'm 21.5 weeks. So as my stomach gets bigger, I'm sure this will like tighten up. And then it has this little crossover in the back. These ones are actually really comfortable. They have a nice stretch to them. I really like these ones. So these ones are from Target. They're not very expensive either. I think I got all these for $20 or $25 because they were all on sale. My dogs are of course squeaking. And I am 5'1.5", and I feel like they hit at the perfect height. I got these Target boots too. I'll put them on with this. I was gonna put a shirt on, but I couldn't be bothered. So let's see how they look with like cute booties. Oh yeah, those are cute. So this is the first pair. I'm gonna be doing some from Target and some from Gap and Old Navy. So I like these ones. Okay, here is the next pair. These are also from Target. I really like these ones. These are also a 0. I like this wash a little bit better, I think. And it has the same crossover panel. They're just a skinny jegging. These ones seem to be a little bit longer. This one's just I don't think it came in a short length, but love the color of these ones. This one doesn't seem to have as much fabric either, pinching right here, but there's no pockets in the front, but you do have pockets in the back. I'm typically a size 0 to a size 2. I'm a true size 2 in like Abercrombie jeans, but other brands, it really just depends. But I think these ones are really cute. I like these ones. So far out of the two, these ones are my favorite. I wish they were just a little bit shorter though. Okay, this is also from Target. These ones are a little bit more of like a straight leg. I actually really like these. They look good on the butt too. They're not like baggy on the butt. These ones are a size 0. I think just regular, yeah. And I think these are a cropped jean, but if you're short like me, they kind of hit right at the ankle. So this would be cute if you just roll the bottom a little bit, wear them with booties. And I like the color of them too. So these ones are definitely a win for me. Okay, this pair is from, are these from Gap or Old Navy? Old Navy. So these ones are Old Navy. This is a size 0. This band is definitely looser. So the other one fit really form-fitting, even though my stomach isn't as big as it's obviously gonna get. But this one's pretty loose, so keep that in mind. These are very tight. Like look at their like real skin tight jeggings. But I've been trying size 2 from like Gap and Old Navy, and they're way too big. But these size 0s are quite tight, so I might recommend going up a size if you don't want them like skin tight. The problem is my butt keeps getting bigger, so I'm having a little bit of trouble figuring out what my size is. But I mean, they fit fine. They're just tight. Do they have real pockets? Oh, these ones actually have real front pockets. That's amazing. Most maternity jeans, these are like faux pockets. So I actually really like the wash of this. I like the distressing on it. I love where it hits. I think I got, yeah, 0 short. I think it looks really good on the butt. They're just really tight. So I do feel like these ones, see, look, it has like the crotch is kind of down. Let me see if I can hike these up even more. Sometimes if you can hike them up, then they can sit in a good spot, but they're pretty tight. Look at my knees. They're like pretty tight on my knees. So you may want to go up a size in this particular style. Okay, here's the next pair. These are also from Old Navy. Now this fits way more snug And it's a little bit thinner of a material, which I kind of like because that other one, my mirror's dirty, gosh. The other one like felt like it was pretty thick, but not like compressive. I love where these ones hit. Here's Finny Boy. I love the distressing. They look good on the butt. You do have actual real pockets, which I'm a fan of. And these ones I got in a 0 short. So I actually really like these ones. Obviously you need like a longer shirt. I just didn't. I'm trying to show you kind of what they look like with shirts on, but yeah, I really like the way these ones also fit. So these ones are a win. Okay, I really like these ones. Love the distressing. These ones are from Old Navy. They're in a 0 short. They have that same nice compressive but thin band. Real pockets. Love where they hit on me. They have like already the little cuff detail. I really like these ones. And they look great on the butt. They don't feel too big. They don't feel too tight. I can still move in them. So I really like these ones too. Okay, now these ones I really love. I think I need to order a size down. I got a size 26, which is my typical size. But you can see here, like this is obviously attached, but it's really big. And I tried wearing them this morning and they just like kept stretching out more and more. And I know my belly will get bigger and fill that, but they're like starting to get really saggy on the butt. And they were like slipping down quite a bit. So I really love these ones. These are probably one of my favorite pairs that I've gotten. But I will definitely need to get these in a bigger size. I mean a smaller size. Get them in a size 25, I think. But these ones are really, really cute. Okay, so then these ones are from Gap as well. I'm finding the Gap and Old Navy I'm really liking because they have the actual front pocket. And these ones are a 26 short. So the 26 short and the ones I just showed you were too big. So I think if you're gonna go for a looser style jean, maybe size down, because these fit great. I don't think I would want to go any smaller. They look cute on the butt. They're very comfortable, very stretchy. I love the distressing on them. I really love the color of denim. Love that I have pockets. This feels nice and secure. So I really like this pair as well. So far, Gap and Old Navy are a win for maternity jeans. I really like these. These are so cute. These are the biker shorts. I got them in a bunch of colors. I'm not gonna try every color on, but I got them in just my normal extra small. My little hernia. Oh, if you had an umbilical hernia and you got it fixed, please let me know how the recovery is because I'm gonna have to get mine fixed and it really bothers me. So I got this color here. They are really thin, so like you can clearly see like my underwear line, but they're so cozy and comfortable. So if you wear like a little bit of a longer shirt or sweatshirt with them, they're really cute. So I love this color. I'll show you the other colors I got. Okay, so I wore these brown ones earlier. I showed them on Instagram. They're the exact same, but these are in a brown. These are they look the same, but it doesn't show that I ordered 2 of them. So I don't know if they're 2 different tones. They look like different tones of brown. Then I got this tan color. I have like this rusty color. I got this like bone color. And then I got this nude. So I have them in a bunch of colors. These are so comfy. They're originally, these ones are the Old Navy brand. They weren't very expensive. I want to say they were like $10. And then they had a 2-pack of the black. So I got those ones too. They're just so comfortable and they're like great to lounge around the house in. So anyways, there's a bunch of different neutral colors if that's your jam, which it's my jam. So I loved getting all of these. And I swear, my order does not show 2 browns. So these have to be different colored browns. They look slightly different. You definitely don't need both of these browns though. Okay, and then this is the nursing bra. It's really thin, so you definitely can see your nips, like if it's cold, but it's so soft. I want to get this in other colors. I got a size small and I feel like it fits perfect. And it's just like a really cozy nursing bra. It'll be super easy, you know, access, but it's just really comfy. Really cute. And there's the pups. This room is an absolute disaster. I feel like every time I clean it, it just gets messy again. Okay, and then I got these bras. I should have got a medium. These are a size small, which I thought I could get because like I've gotten their sports bras in a medium and they're way too big. But this is no way this is gonna work. My boobs are already huge and they're gonna get 10 times bigger once my milk comes in. So this, I'm gonna have to size up to a medium, but it's super soft. These joggers are really, really cute. They are a little bit slicker than like the Align joggers that I have that I love, but they're really nice. Very, very comfortable. Oh, I really like these joggers, but these bras are gonna have to be exchanged for a size medium. They're just, my boobs are way too massive. But anyways, the joggers are for sure a win. The bra will be a win once it's in the right size. All right, and here are the colors I got in the bra. This is the pink I tried on. This one's like the pretty nude color. This black one came with nice little deodorant stains on it, but it doesn't fit anyways, so it doesn't really matter. I have to send it back. And then this one is kind of like that bone colored. So I really like those. I just need to size up to a medium or maybe even a large. I don't know. I think I should maybe even go up to a large because they were pretty dang tiny on me. But I thought those ones were really nice and super soft. All right, guys, so that is it for my try on haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Really quick rundown because I get a lot of questions about my makeup and I always forget. By the time I go to edit, I forget what I'm wearing. So let me run down like the majority of the stuff for you so that one, I'll remember when I go to edit, and two, then you guys will know what it is. So on my eyes, I have this Fulfilled palette by Red Aspen. I will link it down below. It is a like, I signed up under my friend Sam because I loved the nails, and so it is like a commissionable link, but this is just such a pretty palette. I had seen a lot of people talk about it for a long time, and then I finally picked it up. So I have Purpose in my crease, I have Bliss in my inner corner, Balance on my lid. This is the beautiful color Grace that is on my lid. Sorry, this is inner corner. This is Brow Bone. Grace is on my lid. And then I have Home and Comfort in the outer V. Such a beautiful palette. So I'll link that down below. My lips, I can't stop wearing this. This is the LA Girl Sugar and Spice. Like, look, it's just a little nub. That is the lip liner with the Fenty Latte Lips Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm on top. What else is probably important? Blush. You might want to know my blush. This is the Cheek Leaders palette. That's the blush I'm using, is Gold Rush. And then for my highlight, I don't think this is available anymore, but if it is, I'll link it. It's the Blanc de Sable Nars palette, and it's these two colors from Ana Luisa, and this is probably Amazon. These are Amazon. My nails are Static Nails. And then this is from 12th Tribe. Isn't that so cute? So anyways, I'll try to link as much as I can down below. Oh, my foundation. I'm telling you guys, this is such a good foundation. The Catrice True Skin. That's what I have on. This is the shade Neutral Hazel. And I actually mixed it with this. Giorgio Armani Neo Nude in 6.5, and it like literally, look at my skin, it looks like flawless. It's so pretty. So anyways, that's a quick rundown of what I'm wearing. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.